Good morning. This is the work for today. We cleaned most of the dead leaves, and the dead leaves were really killing the vegetations. So we cleaned them up. It's much better, and cleaned up this area here, irrigated this little hill. It's much nicer because plants need water, and the vegetations are coming back. And here we cleaned further this area, all the dead leaves, and here's Mount, and look who I see. This is brother Abby. How are you, brother Abby?
I'm fine.
How did
Thank
you do
you.
today?
Oh, great.
All
It's
right.
refreshing again. Another good day spent, in the mosque.
Me too. All right, it was a great time. We need more work.